Hey guys, Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and check this out. I found this in the ATM. I was getting $10 out, and this is what they gave me. A $10 bill star note. So I'm going to show you guys now how to find out if this is worth anything or not. You know, of course it's worth face value, but let's see if we can get more than face value for it. Alright guys, so check this out. What you want to do is go to Google, type in star note lookup, and then you're going to click the first link for mycurrencycollection.com. Go to that website, and this is where you will begin to put in the information on the bill. So as you can see, I changed mine to $10. Now I'm going to change the year that it was minted, and it showed 2017. And now we want to enter the serial number on the dollar bill. And once you finish that, you're going to select look up your star note. And as you can see right here, so I have a less rare bill. So unfortunately, that means it's not worth a lot. It says the run size is 3 million. The total printed is 3 million. And so that means that this isn't a rare bill. But that's okay, because whenever I get a star note, I can just come back to this site and look it up. And you know, guys, you continue to do this, eventually you will find one that is rare and you will have a gem. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.